Okay, I'm hot. Say your name and your chapter.
Carter Womack, 27th and 29th International President of Phi Beta Sigma.
Brother Womack, Honorable Brother Womack, can you tell me how you're enjoying the conference so far?
Brother Carter, the conference so far has been very rewarding from the standpoint of the interaction of the brothers, the excitement, enthusiasm for the brothers for the centennial. The attendance has been phenomenal, both alumni and collegiate. We've got some sharp young brothers in the organization.
And how would you say your sessions has been going so far?
The sessions have been going overall well. The workshops and training sessions were phenomenal. The history session with Brother Bill Doerr's wife went very well. So I think that, again, the energy around the organization is coming forth through all of the activities.
What do you expect, because you mentioned the centennial, or what would you like to see occur moving forward from this convention towards your centennial?
For the centennial, we are hoping for a phenomenal turnout of brothers, sorors, family and friends from around the world to celebrate with us in D.C. From the centennial, I hope we'll continue our march to address issues that are impacting African American and young boys in the nation to bring about a change within that demographics.
I know you mentioned young boys, the Sigma Beta Club. How is their workshops and stuff going?
Brother Carter, we had a phenomenal session last evening with the Sigma Beta Club members here at the hotel. Phenomenally sharp young men. We must continue to invest in that group of young men in order, again, to change the demographics of low graduation rate, etc., within that group.
Now, is there anything that you think can be done better at this convention?
I think that we can continue as we plan future conventions to do more on the technology and use technology to communicate with our members internally and externally. We got to use our website, Facebook, and Twitter to communicate the phenomenal things that are going on at our conferences.
Now, is there anything that you would like to say about the convention that maybe I neglected to ask?
Well, I'm excited about the new direction of the convention. We elected Brother Jonathan A. Mason Sr., our 34th International President. I know that Brother Mason will do a phenomenal job. He's going to build a phenomenal team, going to unify the organization for greater things for the next century.
Thank you, Brother Womack.
Thank you, Brother Carter.